In this video, we will discuss some common mistakes and how to counter them. First, do not use hot water. Hot water will influence the behavior of the i-mop's components. We advise you to use room temperature water. Second, don't use foaming cleaning agents. This will block the filter in the clean water tank. Therefore, use water or a non-foaming cleaning agent to ensure smooth operation. Thirdly, don't switch the caps on the solution tank and dirty water tank. The cap on the dirty water tank has a closed connection to maintain vacuum power. If switched, the i-mop will lose this vacuum power and will not work properly. It is also important to seal the tanks tightly. Fourthly, we advise you to pre-sweep the area you are about to clean, so there won't be small objects or debris on the floor. And lastly, make sure the squeegee blade and wheels are in good condition and replace them if not. This way, you get a spotless and streak-free result.